Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on save video on TikTok. So first of all, open TikTok account. Tap onto arrow icon. Now shown here this video save option. Now I am turn on this option my profile. So first of all, click profile icon. After that, click onto three line at the top right corner, settings and privacy, scroll down, download option, and now you can easily enable this option. Okay, now done. So that's how you can easily turn on save video on TikTok. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.